Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making pepper roti with a twist. So we're going to be adding some jerk chicken in it, and this pepper roti is just bursting with flavor. So to start off with, we're going to be making our green seasoning, and it's so important to use fresh ingredients. It does make a difference. So my fresh ingredients, I'm going to be using some bandania, hot peppers, and green onion. I'm also going to be adding some garlic into my green seasoning. I'm just going to give these a rough chop and then blend it in this little blender that I have here. You can also use a food processor. Next, I am just going to start boiling my potatoes. I just cubed up some potatoes here. We're just going to be making a mashed potato basically. So to get started on my dough, I'm just adding 2 cups of flour, some baking powder, some salt, some sugar. When I form my ball, I'm just going to add some oil all around it, just to help keep it moist. So my potatoes are ready. I'm just going to give it a quick mash. After a quick mash, I'm just going to add in my green seasoning and some salt to taste. So I divided my roti into 4 separate pieces, basically like the top layer and the bottom layer. So I'm only making 2 pepper rotis. So this process is just gonna add layers in your roti, just like you're making oil roti. So you just roll out your roti, cut a little slit, add a mixture of oil and butter. And then just roll it, as you can see how I did it. And then you're just gonna tuck it in to the top part. And then press in the middle. So you're going to do it for all 4 pieces. So guys, I'm just going to check on my chicken. I had it in the oven for 3 hours now, on really low heat. I just want that nice, beautiful, bold jerk flavor. So I added this jerk sauce that I got from the grocery store, along with just a little touch of barbecue sauce. So when you're ready to roll out your roti, you want to try and make it both pieces equal. So I have my other ingredients ready: cheese, course our little twist, some shredded carrots, and our filling, and some oil and butter in that mixture. So I'm gonna start off with adding a layer of my seasoned potato, and I'm just gonna smooth it out, get everything even. I'm gonna sprinkle on my carrots. Now I'm gonna add my jerk chicken. And to top it off, my sharp cheddar cheese. And I know a lot of people love cheese. Sometimes it's hard to not go overboard, but you want everything an even amount so that nothing is like overpowering each other. You know, you have some strong flavors of the cheese, you have some strong flavors of the jerk, the carrots, a nice sweet taste. So you kind of want to make everything nice and even so you get all those flavors in one bite. Next, I'm going to cover this with my second roti. And now I'm just going to take my fork and just close it all up. And I'm going to add this mixture of oil and butter onto my roti. Okay, so the hard part is flipping the roti. That's why I try and make it as small as I can. So my suggestion is keep your roti small and not so heavy, just to make this process easier. And look at this roti, guys. This pepper roti is packed with flavor. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys.